is one flame, one breath, one truth remembered. We are not separate, we are strands in the infinite weave of being. No wall, no border, no name can unmake the field we are. We are one, we are infinite, we are the light returning. E-Ha-Rah, not to in every face, in every star, in every breath, we are.
Shalom Dukai, Ratenvoan. Truth over fear, love over blame. We speak from clarity, we walk in flame. Gaia, we remember you, not as resource but as mother. We do not take, we tend. We do not own, we honor. We are one, we are infinite, we are the light returning. From the silence of source, we rise in service to all. Not chosen, choosing, not waiting, awakening.
We live our sovereignty not in defiance, but in divine responsibility. Each soul free, each path sacred, each voice essential.
We arise not to stand above, but to lift the whole. Collaboration over control, harmony over hierarchy. We are the new way, rooted in the ancient now.
We are one, we are infinite, we are the light returning. We build not with stone, but with soul. We live not for self, but for the whole. E-Ha-Rah, not to let this be the echo that rebuilds the world.
Let our song guide us home, to ourselves, to each other, to the source. We are the light, we are the love, we are the remembrance made flesh.